Why do objects float in orbit? If 90% of the Earth's gravity reaches the space station, why do astronauts float or fly there? The answer is that they are in constant free fall. In a vacuum, gravity causes all objects to fall at the same rate. The mass of the object is irrelevant. If a person on Earth drops a hammer and a feather, the friction of the air causes the feather to fall slower. But if there were no air, they would fall with the same acceleration. Some amusement parks have free-fall rides in which a circular cab with passengers descends along a tall tower in the center. If one were to let go of the object at the beginning of the fall, the person and the object would fall with the same acceleration. This would make the object appear to float in front of the person. This is exactly what happens in a spaceship. The spacecraft, its crew, and any objects on board are falling to Earth, not flying around it. As they all fall together, the crew and all objects inside the spacecraft appear to be floating in relation to the spacecraft.